I'm Greg, one half of Radford Homes, LLC. And my lovely and beautiful wife, Sabrina, well, you know the deal, the brains and the beauty behind the operation. But today, it's about Mandolin. That's right, you need to stop through today, right here in Mandolin, right? We have a sub $200,000 home that we are renting, not for sale. We're renting this home out to a beautiful family, 4-bedroom, 2-bath, in a gated community called Mandolin. This is a must-see property. We're going to be listing this property for rent for $1,475. Now take a look back here. As you can see the setup. Look at this beautiful setup that we got here. You got the Radford Homes vehicle here, the Cadillac Escalade. You got the Radford Homes sign here. Also, we would like to say thank you to all veterans. I'm a retired veteran of 23 years, United States Army, all right, combat veteran. So we say thank you to all the vets. If you need to reach us for any real estate needs, buying, selling, and renting, okay, call us at 863-410-0877. Come on, let's take a walk over here. As you can see, we got a lake view here. Get a pan around and look at that. You have a lake view right there. That lake right there is called Round Lake. That's right, my friends. And look at the community. Mandolin is a very good community. The average age is about 48 years of age. You gotta come and see my look at me now. This is what I call my look at me now. Glimpse of the gate off of Lake Ruby Drive. Like I said, folks, this is a must-see right here today. This is a must-see. 4569 Mandolin Boulevard in a gated community, open house, 4-bedroom, 2-bath. You can't beat it. Look at my dancing thing. He's all in my way. Check it out, though. Follow us on all our social media at Radford Homes Facebook business page, Radford Homes Twitter, and Radford Homes Instagram. Also on Gregory Radford YouTube. You get all the footage, everything from Dubai to Hawaii to Aruba to Jamaica to New York, everywhere, okay? Follow us, London, England. Check us out. We're grateful. This thing is bigger than us. Real estate is secondary to people. People and relationships are first. First, put God first always, then people, and then real estate, because real estate is about people. So that's what Radford Homes is about, and that's the principle we stand on. All right, come on, take a walk with me. As you can see, we got people coming up. We're right here on a cornered lot. This is a cornered lot in a great neighborhood called Mandolin off of Lake Ruby, and zip code 33884, one of the best zip codes in Polk County. So you must come out and check this property out. 4-bedroom, 2-bath. I built this home in 2013. Picked out this lot, a corner lot, paid, of course, a premium, and you got a lake view here, a partial lake view. And we lived in it for 24 months, and after that, we've been renting the home, and it's been a rental income investment ever since. If you want to know more about that, please contact me at 863-410-0877. Like I said, I'm Greg, one half of Radford Homes, LLC. And my lovely and beautiful wife, Sabrina, well, you know the deal. She's the brains and the beauty behind the operation. All right, and I'm going to be out of here, folks, but I want to show you one last setup. Come over this way. You can reach us here for those numbers. And as well, I would like to see our display table that we have when folks coming in. We got the balloons, of course. We got drinks. And last but not least, we love Radford Homes, all right? This is a family-owned business. I'm retired military, 23 years, honorable service, combat veteran. I'm grateful, all right? Trying to do good work and add value to the marketplace. If you need our services, you can reach us at 863-410-0877. Salute all veterans.